Okay, I have yet again another interactive trick I'd like to share with you. I'm sorry, I have to keep going with these interactive tricks. I really enjoy doing them, and just seems to be the thing to do right now for me. So anyways, I also want to just mention too, I've just reached over 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to thank you all for subscribing. And I especially have to thank Miss Meg822 for all the great shout-outs he's provided. And if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have quite the exposure that I've been getting. So thanks, Miss Meg, and thank you again, everybody, for subscribing. So what I'd like to show you, I call this trick Interactive Synchronicity 2. And all you need is a deck of 52 cards. Pen and paper would be recommended. And anyways, this is... Oh, and one more thing too, I just want to mention how I came up with this effect. I actually used Miss Meg's amazing math trick, which I've used. You probably may recognize in other tricks I've done. I love it. I just think it's absolutely clever, so I had to incorporate that with this one. And I also used Aldo Colombini's breaking point effect. So anyways, I used the two and came up with this trick I hope you enjoy. So let's get on with the effect. So what we do is we just sort of mix the cards a bit, and then we're going to deal 3 piles of 9 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we can just get rid of the rest of the cards. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to select any pile you like, and whatever pile you select, you don't have to select the same one I do. Just move it forward just like that. And then from that pile, you can cut as many cards as you like, pick up the cards, and then look at the bottom card. Now that's the card you're going to remember and write down. I recommend you write it down. So once you've written that, just set the pile with your card on any of the other 2 piles, and then with the other pile next to it, pick up however many cards you like and drop those on top, just like that. And then pick up the original pile that you selected your card from and drop those cards on top, and then just drop the remaining cards just like that. So now your selected cards randomly somewhere in the packet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to deal the cards into 3 piles. Now this is important that you do this from your left to your right. So deal the cards 1, 2, 3 from left to right, just like that. Okay, because we're going to I'm going to attempt to have my card synchronized with your card in a bizarre way. So what I'm going to do now both of us have no clue of where our cards may be in any of these piles. But what I'm going to do, and don't do this yet, but I'm going to pick up any one of these piles and just look for my card. And whatever pile my card's in, if we're in sync, we should be sharing the same pile. So I'm just going to look. You don't look at all. I'm just going to look at my piles. And I don't see my card in that pile, so I'm going to discard it. Now you might as well just pick up your left-hand pile and discard it too, because if my card's not in there, it means your card isn't in there. I know it sounds quite bizarre, but this is just how it works. So I'll pick up the next pile here and see if my card is in there. Yes, my card is in there, so that means we're going to hold on to our right-hand pile. Don't even look at the cards, just hold the packet face down, your right-hand packet in your hand, and discard your middle packet, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate your card, the information with your card and the information with my card, and we're going to create a matchup here with my card lining up with your card in this bizarre way. What we're going to do is we're going to spell the color of your card, and if it's a number or figure card, like court card in other words. So if your card's well, I'll show you what I mean. What we're going to do is we're going to first, in my case, I'm going to spell the red figure because I have a Jack of Hearts and it's a figure card. So I'm going to spell the red figure. If yours is a red number, you spell the red number. If it's a black figure, you spell the black figure. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. So what we do is we both first spell the. 3 cards for the. T-H-E, just like that. So go ahead and do that. Spell the, and then drop the rest of the cards on top, just like so. And then spell whatever color your card is. So if your card's black, spell black. If your card's red, spell red right now. So I'm going to spell mine's red, so I'm going to spell R-E-D, just like that. You spell whatever your color is, and then drop the rest of the cards on top. Then pick up all the cards again, And now we're going to spell if it's a number card or figure card. In my case, it's a figure. You spell whatever yours is, a figure or number. So I'm going to spell figure right now. F-I-G-U-R-E. Just like that. Once you've done spelling number or figure, drop the rest of the cards on top. And now what we're going to do is we're going to spell our actual card. So first we're going to start out by spelling the value of the card. So in my case, the value of my card is a jack, so I'm going to spell jack. If yours is a 7, you spell S-E-V-E-N, okay? So I'm going to spell jack, J-A-C-K. You spell your value, drop the rest of the cards on top, pick up the cards, and now we're going to spell of for of the suit. So 2 cards for of, O-F, just like that, drop the rest of the cards on top. And lastly, we're going to spell the suit. So whatever your suit is, if it's a hearts, diamonds, spades, or clubs, we're going to spell in plural form hearts, diamonds, spades, or clubs, whatever your suit is. So my suit is heart, so I'm going to spell H-E-A-R-T-S, just like that. And you spell whatever your suit is in plural form, clubs, spades, diamonds, or hearts. So once you've spelled that, drop the rest of the cards on top, just like that. And lastly, once we've now mixed our cards in our different ways, even though they've had different spellings, our cards will line up in a bizarre way by just spelling the word match. So let's spell M-A-T-C-H. Spell the word match. And the last card you've just dealt on the word T-C, or on H, sorry, should reveal to be your card and my card at the same time. And there's my Jack of Hearts. And hopefully that's your card too, and hopefully that amazed you enough. So thank you very much for watching, and catch you next time.